Welcome to UK Business Show, UK's premier business show where we feature business thought leaders, high achievers, and industry experts. Today's episode is brought to you by World Outsourcing Solutions Limited, a company that specializes in helping executive business owners with virtual assistant services and business growth systems. Here's your host, Yukai Kechidori.
Hey guys, welcome back to another very special episode. And today, I'm thrilled to be having on the show Simon Popple. Now, as you know, there's a lot of things happening in the world we live today. There's a lot of uncertainty. And today, I'm truly blessed to be having on the show somebody who is going to be sharing with you something slightly different than what I normally bring to you. And we're going to be talking about gold. You know, a lot of people sort of shy away from investing in gold. But today, you're going to discover why now is the best time to get started in gold. Simon, thank you for joining us on the show.
Great to be here.
Well, Simon Popple has a 10-year successful track record of investing in gold, an asset that's been around for thousands of years, which very few people have paid very little attention to it. With debt and equities and real estate investment looking less attractive, it's time to look at gold. As you know, when it comes to investment, timing is everything. And today, it looks like it is the right time for you to be investing in gold. Simon, once again, thank you so much for joining us on the show.
Great to be here.
Now, for those who haven't come across your work, Simon, just give us a snapshot of who you are and what you've done in the past few years.
No, sure. Well, I mean, my background is EA, corporate finance, working in the city and then more recently the property market. But about 10 years ago, I saw what I thought was a huge opportunity to get involved in the gold market. And so, yeah, and I was probably a bit early leaving property, but it's I think gold has got massive potential, and now it's, you know, as you said at the top of the show, it's all about timing. And fortunately, having been involved in the market for so long, writing a newsletter for Money Peak and Agora Financial, the timing is fantastic to be involved in the gold market.
Indeed. You know, when we were talking earlier on, you mentioned an interesting fact about Warren Buffett that sort of comes in line with what we were talking about. Would you share with our audience what you told me earlier on?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I mean, it surprised the hell out of me, if I'm honest. But over the last 20 years, the gold price has actually outperformed Berkshire Hathaway. So, you know, we're not talking about a snapshot of 2 or 3 years. We're talking 20 years. And that's the gold price of Berkshire Hathaway. So, you know, my investments are in the miners, which is a leveraged return on the gold price. So that's why I think it's really exciting. And just to add a bit of to what I've just said, in their last quarterly report, Berkshire Hathaway basically told the world that they'd been exiting airlines, divesting a lot of their banking stocks, and moving into gold. They've actually got a meaningful position in Barrick now, one of the world's largest gold companies. So there's a real sea change in opinion.
Incredible, absolutely incredible. You know, with so much respect we have for Warren Buffett, you know, what he does, one has to pay attention to that because that points out to where things are going. So we are
Thank you for listening to UK Business Show. We will be back to bring you more episodes with success stories and advice straight from the experts. Want more? Check out www.ukbusinessshow.com. Get your free trial of our virtual assistant service today. Just visit www.worldoutsourcingsolutions.com. Quote WOS18 or send us an email at support@worldoutsourcingsolutions.com.